Here's a charming 3-bedroom apartment near Columbia for only $33.50. It's bright and renovated, and it's going to rent so fast. We have polished hardwood floors. All the bedrooms are really large with great closet space and storage space up above. We have this beautiful bathroom that's been renovated. There's a closet in the bathroom. Here's bedroom number 2. Again, nice and bright. We're on the 3rd floor. Another closet, more storage space up above. Here's a huge closet. Here's bedroom number 3. Nice and bright and big. And with additional storage space up there. And we have this really large common space. Look at this huge living room. And the kitchen has a dishwasher. Everything's brand new. You can move in whenever you want, but this apartment's available now. And at $33.50, it's not going to last long. To reserve this apartment, call Michael Chadwick at Bond, New York, 585-415-6170. And my email address is mchadwick@bondnewyork.com. Thank you.